Hello there. Today we are going to be showing you guys our solar oven. So as you see, I used to help my dad to make a mini solar oven and a large solar oven. The reason why we're going to be using a solar oven instead of like a regular oven or a microwave is because a solar oven only uses the sun's heat energy and not electrical energy. The purpose of using the solar oven is so that we don't pollute the environment and we can heat our food in a much more cleaner way.
First, take a cracker, then put some chocolate, a marshmallow, and then put another cracker. We are using solar oven to make our s'mores. So now let's start.
Chocolate right here, John.
I'm just gonna get a graham cracker.
Graham crackers right here. Well, as you see, we're not using the mini solar oven. I'm going to be using the large solar oven.
So in Terran's large solar oven, he's gonna be putting two s'mores, and I'm just gonna be putting one s'more.
Great. Now we're going to be moving this outside and make sure it's going to be cooking. So let's start to close it. So we have now packed the box, and you can see these s'mores, they're now packed inside. Let's go outside and put them. The temperature outside right now is 100 degrees, which is a good sign, meaning that this will have enough solar energy to melt. As you can see, slowly the chocolates are melting and the marshmallow is kind of going along with it. We will come back in an hour and check if our marshmallows are ready. If you put it outside, and the temperatures here are actually soaring, almost close to 120 degrees, and that's actually really hot outside. Alright, as you see right here, the marshmallows and the chocolate are now fully melted, and now they are ready to eat. Turns out this has actually worked. I put this for an hour and it really worked. And we'll go inside, eat them, and it is going to make a nice good snack. We just got it inside, and now we're about to have a nice little snack. It's really good.
It actually tastes really good.
You might be wondering why we had to use this aluminum foil, this plastic wrapping, and also this black construction paper. Well, we use these for a different set of reasons. We use this aluminum foil because the sun is facing towards it. It reflects all that sunlight off, and it reflects up, sideways, down, everywhere. And including that, it will reflect down. This plastic wrapping, since it's clear, the sunlight can go through it easily. Therefore, heating this up with a lot more sunlight. Next, this black construction paper. The reason why we use this is whenever the heat from the aluminum foil, when it was coming in, the black paper mostly absorbs the heat than other light colors. We used aluminum foil at the side of the solar oven, so in case if it goes down and hits here, then it can easily reflect back, creating more heat and also trapping more sunlight. This was a really cool engineering video. We hope to see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.